In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get TradeViz to connect to NinjaTrader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to open up TradeViz.com and NinjaTrader up here. Once from here, it should look something like this once you get inside of NinjaTrader. First of all, you'll need to go into NinjaTrader like I just said and log into your account. From here, you'll need to go up to the account inside of the trading section and go over to the settings tab over here on live and active. Once from here, it should look something like this where I can see the account reports, and from here you'll need to find your position history, and then you'll need to download CSV after you have chosen a specific date that you want to download as a CSV and convert over to TradeViz. From here, just download it like so, and then from here you'll need to go over to TradeViz.com and log into your account, and from here you'll need to go up to add data, and from here you'll need to click import file. Now once from here, it should look something like this. Now from here you can either click upload file, manually trade entry, add autosync, but from here you'll simply need to select the broker that you want to transfer, and for this tutorial we're choosing NinjaTrader like so, and from here you'll need to upload the file. Once from here it is uploaded, you'll need to go down to additional information where you'll need to add in the specific data that you'll also be able to see up here. As you can see, this is from today, and click upload like so. Once from here you'll be able to see an entire overview of all of your trades inside of NinjaTrader, and you'll just need to click confirm, and then from here you'll be able to see them inside of your TradeViz account. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!